Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm MBM Official and today we are doing a love box, and that means a lot of hearts and cute stuff. So yeah. Okay, and all what you need is a box. Mine is looking like this, and acrylic color. And the first thing what I will do is to paint it with black acrylic color. Okay. Now all what you will need is this. Now it's dry, as you can see. Okay, and now you need a scissor and so we have like this. We put in half and we will cut a heart. Like this. Okay guys, so this is the final look. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!